Hello guys, long time no see. I fell off of the vlogger bandwagon. Kudos to all you daily vloggers for staying dedicated. I am not one of you. Anyway, so I have this old clip from, I don't know, a month ago? How long's it been? I don't know. I have this old clip that I've edited and everything, and I don't want to just lose the footage because I want to have the memories. So I'm going to insert that right here, and you guys can watch that. After that, I'm going to take you to the balloon races. That will be tomorrow's vlog. Let's see Shay's rendition of how I vlog.
No, will not do it.
Ah! He's like, hi guys! Is that what I sound like?
The story that just happened.
What just happened? Oh, I'll tell you the story. Caven's heart is broken. His dad went to go order him. What, baby? You want soda?
Why am I going so slow?
I don't know. His dad went to go order him a taco at Taco Bell, which we always substitute meat for the beans. And his dad forgot. So Caven took a big old bite of meat, and now he's all sad. So, you know, it's a weekend. Kelly every day!
I don't think it's my fault because he didn't say. He just said order me a Dorito taco.
You guys know
He didn't say with
he's
beans.
a vegetarian.
Okay, that's true, dear, but
So that's why he's
I
a vegetarian.
told you to order it
You
with
did?
beans. Yeah.
What was it?
My husband never listens to me, ever.
Were we making eye contact? Did you affirm that I was listening? I have no recollection of that.
We were
You
standing
could
at Taco Bell.
You could be making it up.
No,
Yes, you could be.
I could be, but I'm not. That's the thing. Oh
You
my
could be
goodness.
trusted.
Oh my goodness. Goodness. So, we're going boating.
We are again. I feel the chemicals kicking. It's getting on and high. Running high.
Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, Dad, we're swimming. Oh, Dad. I'm in the lake. I'm floating away.
I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. You want out? You want to jump? There's a bald eagle right there perched on this tree. Pretty cool.
But we're gonna die.
Fire. That's gonna be us in a minute.
What? Flames?
Fire. Lightning. Woo! I got that. I hope that we don't die. Look at this madness. It's a hailstorm. We got off the lake just in time. Like, seriously, it started right after we got the kids loaded in the car. Crazy. Woo! Woo! Saw a fire start from lightning. And then there's a hailstorm. Nuts. So that ended up being a little bit crazy of a day. We're on the water when a lightning storm rolls in, which is a little scary because, you know, we're out on the water. Pretty much the only boat out there. Definitely the only boat with a big old metal tower on it. And so we go off, we wait, try to wait the storm out, but the storm is not going to be waited out, so we had to go back across the lake in the middle of, like, the bad lightning storm. Saw a forest fire begin across the way, and then the worst part was Shay and I got lost when we were trying to drive down the mountain. And it was supposed to take like 10 to 20 minutes to get down. It took us like 2 hours, so it was quite the adventure, but we are alive and well, so all is good in the Bullock house. Peace, bye.